So it's Saturday, finally, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a restoration job on my air filter. But first, I've got to clean this, and we do it like this. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be doing this. So this is a 1988, goes on that. This is an airbox, so it's quite greasy, it's quite rusty, so I'm going to try and clean it up a bit. Right, okay, so that's it for today. Today's episode is sponsored by Hammerite, and this is their Kerrust. Managed to get most of it stripped, and I've applied it to the top of the airbox. What I think I'm going to have to do, although I've treated this, I might have to get myself a sandblaster. So we're going to see if we can get one, put it over there, make a box. So we'll see how that goes. So anyway, thanks for watching today. It is a little bit of a short one. My brother will hopefully be back next week, and we'll see if we can get the beast to start. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.